Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. Today in this video I'm going to tell about the new startup free offering. Each and every day I'm giving you update on coming announcement on Gate.io, and this is about the new token listing which name is Phantom Maker. So please subscribe my channel and sign up on the Gate.io, and sign up link is given in description section. From there you can easily sign up on the Gate.io and you will get 40 plus 10% referral bonus. So hurry up, get sign up and start earning on the Gate.io. Here is some free distribution rule available for the user who are signing up on the Gate.io and taking participate in free startup sale. If you are participating in this sale, you will get free token which name is Fame as free airdrop. Total free airdrop available is 12 lakh free of this charge. The token name is Phantom Maker. Startup contribution is a free contribution and will not deduct the user participant fund at the end of the event. It means there will no any fund will be deducted from your account. If you are having 1000 USDT, then you can buy more than if you are VIP one member, then you will get 40 lots and charge around 800 USDT, and according to that, on the listing you will get free airdrop. So here's some introduction. Phantom is the first launchpad on the Phantom Opera with the aim of the enriching the entire ecosystem with the incubation and launch of equity project. Phantom Maker is tireless launchpad with a guaranteed allocation for all stakeholders, an anti-whale system, and allocation for non-holder too. Here is some information given by the Phantom Maker. Token name is Phantom Maker and the symbol is Fame. Maximum supply is 6 billion and token type is FRC20. A contract it will be announced soon. Here is some distribution ratio given over here. For the seeding round, it is allocated 5%. For the angel round, it is allocated 5%. For the VC round, allocated for 3.4%. For the retro round, 1.33%. Stack liquidity and and incentive 20%. Ecosystem fund is 20%. For the team, 20%. And partners, advisor, and consultants 8%, and making acquisition and license 17.7% is given over here, which is a great distribution ratio. We are looking this. Here is website is given. I will take you all on this website at the end of this video. So be with me till end of this video. Phantom Maker like activity duration is being start on 11 a.m. on 3rd March 2022, and it will end on 4th March at 11 a.m. UTC 2022. Trading start time, it is tentative time, which is 14 p.m. on 4th of 2022, 4th March of 2022. A trading pair will be FAME/USDT, and the initial price of this token will be for the public sale will be 0.025 USDT. Startup supply is 12 lakh fame, and user can purchase their this token using USDT. And there is 100% unlock rule. So let's take you all to the website of Phantom Maker. Here you can see this is eye cooling graphic on this website, and hope this will grow in future. But before investing, please make sure to know about all this activity of this token so you can check it out. FTM blockchain is exploring, making it especially attractive for the project founder. The only one thing it undersupplies is a smooth onboarding process, which we are at Phantom Maker set to our top priority so that you can keep your focus on growth. Okay, so much more things are given over here by this text, you can read it out, and you can make your own risk perception. And after that, you can invest in this token. For more information, I will mention the white paper link in description section. From there, you can easily download the white paper and read in detail. So hurry up and get sign up on the gate.io and get free bonus approximately 40% plus 10%, total 50% referral bonus you will get if you are signing up using the link given in the description section. Hurry up, it is purely free of distribution. You will not charge for this activity. You will rewarded for this activity. Thanks for watching.